Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today is a huge day for the tech world because the official invites for Apple's biggest event in June 2026 are finally shipping out. Everyone is talking about this because Apple is ready to change the game with brand new software and 6 incredible hardware products. We have a massive list of leaks today, including the new Mac Mini M5 and the powerful iOS 27. Before we dive into all these amazing details, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tech update. Let's get started right now. The most important tech event of 2026. Apple is using this massive stage to show off its latest inventions and powerful new chips. This year is different because we are seeing a total of 6 brand new hardware products being launched at once. 6 new products in iOS 27. Section 1, iOS 27, the AI Revolution. Let's start with the software side and the new iOS 27. People inside Apple are calling this update Snow Leopard because the goal is not to change the colors or icons, but to make the phone super fast. Focusing on speed and performance. If you remember, the previous update gave us the liquid glass design, which was very pretty. This year, Apple is focusing on fixing bugs and making sure the battery lasts much longer for every user. A smoother experience for everyone. The biggest part of iOS 27 is the return of Apple Intelligence. After a few years of waiting, Apple is finally making their AI smart enough to understand what is happening inside your apps and photos. Siri finally becomes smart. Apple has realized that building AI from zero is very expensive, so they have made a huge deal with Google. This means Google Gemini AI is coming to your iPhone to help you write emails and find photos. Google Gemini partnership confirmed. Section 2, Mac Studio M5 Ultra, the powerhouse. Now, let's talk about hardware, starting with the Mac Studio M5 Ultra. This is not just a small update, it is a massive earthquake in the world of high-end computers. The strongest computer ever made. Apple is taking 2 M5 Max chips and fusing them together to create one giant Ultra chip. This creates a machine that can handle 200 gigabytes of memory, which is insane for a desktop computer. Massive 200 gigabytes unified memory. This machine is built for the future of AI and high-end creativity. With 64 cores dedicated just to artificial intelligence, your computer will process data locally and keep your private files safe. Your own private supercomputer. Even though the outside looks like the old aluminum block, the cooling system inside is totally new. Even when you are editing 8K videos or doing 3D work, the fans will stay completely silent. Silent cooling for professional work. Section 3, Mac Mini M5, the budget king. Next on our list is the most popular choice for many people, the Mac Mini M5. This tiny box is famous for being the most affordable way to get Apple power without spending too much money. The best value Apple computer. The biggest news for 2026 is that the base model will now start with 24 GB of RAM. For many years, we were stuck with 8 GB or 16 GB, but now Apple is giving everyone a massive boost. Base model starts with 24 GB RAM. This change is happening because the new AI features with Google Gemini need more memory to run smoothly. With 24 GB of RAM, you can open 50 tabs and edit photos at the same time without any lag. Smooth multitasking for all users. There is also an M5 Pro version for people who need more power. This version can handle 3 6K screens at once and comes with the latest Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 technology. Fastest connections with M5 Pro. Section 4, 24-inch iMac, the family choice. The beautiful and colorful 24-inch iMac is also getting a big internal upgrade this year. It keeps the same thin screen and great webcam, but the new M5 chip makes it much faster for daily tasks. Faster performance in a thin design. The best news for iMac buyers is that Apple is finally killing the 256 GB storage limit. Now, when you buy the basic iMac, it will come with 512 GB of very fast storage for your family photos and videos. Base storage doubled to 512 GB. Section 5, the Smart Home Hub, a new category. Apple is finally launching a product we have waited for, the Apple Smart Home Hub. This is a small 8-inch screen that looks like a mini iPad but is meant to stay on your wall or kitchen counter. The control center for your house. It runs a brand new OS called Home OS, which is very easy for kids and grandparents to use. It will connect all your lights, cameras, and speakers in one simple place that anyone can control. Simple control with new Home OS. Section 6, Apple TV 4K, the Power Box. The Apple TV 4K is getting its first big update in 4 years. Apple is putting the powerful chip from the iPhone 17 Pro inside this small box to make it a gaming and AI beast. iPhone 17 Pro chip inside TV. Because of this new chip, the Apple TV will be able to run Google Gemini features locally. This means you can ask your TV smart questions and get instant answers right on your big screen. Smart AI features for your TV. Section 7, HomePod Mini 2, the smart speaker. Last but not least is the HomePod Mini 2. While it keeps the same round fabric design, the top part is now a real touch screen instead of just glowing lights. New touch screen on top. This screen will show you the weather, what song is playing, and your notifications. Inside, the sound has been tuned to have much deeper bass and clearer voices for a better music experience. Better sound and richer bass. Thanks to the Google partnership, the speaker will no longer say, "I found this on the web." Instead, it will hold a real conversation and give you the exact information you need immediately. In my personal opinion, the Mac Mini M5 is the absolute winner of this event because 24 GB of RAM changes everything for creators. Apple is finally making their devices smart and fast again by working with Google. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all things tech. I will see you in the next one.